let's take a look at the current state of the real estate industry, as we do every week. And in economy, there's two parts. There's buyers and sellers, and that will be reflected in real estate on the buyer side by interest rates, which is going to encourage buyers to come in or discourage them. And currently, rates closed this week up slightly, 7.16%, a little more than last week, 7.14%. So they've stayed above 7% after being below that for a while, yet being above 7%, hitting even 8 at the end of last year. So if you look in the last year, rates are about in the midpoint of where they've been for the last year or so, maybe taking a little steam out of the rush from a month or two ago. And overall, a very healthy buyer side, a lot of interest in buying properties from buyers currently. On the seller side, we measure the inventory. That's how many sellers currently have the home on the market. And again, there, we see that we remain at all-time lows other than the pandemic era. The inventory today is the same as it was about a year ago. And the 1, 2, 3 prior years of the pandemic had even less inventory. The years before the pandemic had almost twice as much. So we're still in an area where, other than during the pandemic, we have all-time lows of inventory. And unlike other businesses, that has not recovered. Whereas, movie attendance and football attendance and other things have re-gone to what we would call pre-pandemic normals, the real estate industry sales and inventory has not, and doesn't appear to, at least for the near term. Now, in Los Angeles specifically, the market is still a slight seller's market. I use Altos Research, a great source for data, all kinds of data they break down. And the LA market overall is a 40, where it has been, where it was last month as well. And so it stays to be a slight seller's market, and that's my experience as a broker as well. Real estate is very local, so if you're in a particular neighborhood, it might be different. Reach out to me, more glad to run this report for you or other data to help you find out the best situation for you individually.